Hey everyone, welcome to new updates of Odoo 18. In today's video, we will discuss about the Revamp in Debug view. So here you can see that I have already enabled the debug mode, and you can just move on to the debug mode. And you can see that it has slightly rearranged in its all the way in the menu, like testing, like it has got a unit testing and rent click prepare under a main part of testing. And under the tools, we can just open the view, as well as we can regenerate the asset, or we can just become a super user. So as we have a comparison with the Odoo 17, we can say that Odoo 17 would also give a tour on the interface, or if you want to just leave the tour, we can also leave that. And the options in Odoo 18 debug view has slightly changed and just revamped. So if you want to just leave the debug mode, we can just click on leave debug mode, which is as same as that of Odoo 17 itself. So as you just choose leave debug mode, currently you can see that we have just disabled the debug mode. So these are the slight changes or the revamp that we can find under the debug view in Odoo 18. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.